Hey, if you have any connection problem with your SONY ULT Field 1 speaker, for example, if your speaker is actually disconnecting from your device, there's like two methods that you can actually try to do. So the first one, you can just go into the Sony Music Center application, click on the settings, move to the sound, select Bluetooth connection quality, and you can switch to the prioritize unstable connection. So now when you enable this function, you will be actually disconnected with your phone, with your speaker, and after a few moments you will be connected back with more stable connection. And the second method, how we can fix this, you can just perform the hard reset of your speaker. So to do this, you will have to actually use the two buttons combination. You will have to click and hold the power button and the volume down button for 5 seconds. If it doesn't work for some reason, you can try to do the same by using the Bluetooth button and the volume down button. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.